All my bitches bad. You can't tell who the boss. About to go and drop a bag. I don't care what it costs. Sexy, classy, arrogant, nasty. Stop asking for my number, boy. Just cash at me. Sexy, classy, arrogant, nasty.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your girl Coco, for real, not for fake, period. And I'm back with a well overdue video. I'm super excited. Today's video is gonna be on my new 30-inch bust down, and I think I'm gonna dye my eyebrows too, guys. I'm not too sure on that one yet. We're gonna see. I've been super good. I hope you guys have been good as well. I'm starting up my business, the Mocha Store. You can follow us on all platforms at the Mocha Store. We got our wigs, yes, lashes, lip glosses. We're gonna have a lot of stuff, ebooks, courses, everything to help you get your business started. My Amazon FBA, trading, all that, you guys. But I'm gonna update you guys in a whole lot of videos after this. But today, yes. So this is from the Mocha Store, 613, 30-inch, frontal 13x4. It's super soft, I love it. And first, before anything, of course, we're gonna tone it. Got our purple shampoo. So meet me in the bathroom and let's get it started.
None of this for free, baby, don't even ask me. Sexy, classy, arrogant, nasty. Don't do the world for us, baby, I need it. Sexy, classy,
but like, you know, like a good amount.
But a bitch put in work. Sexy, I'm the definition of it. And you can't get no conversation if you ain't spending the grill. How you expecting to dip if you ain't spending no chill? Okay, class is session, let me teach you some shit. I'm arrogant, you can tell how I talk. And I got my own money, you can tell how I walk. And all my bitches bad, you can tell what it costs. About to go and drop a bag, I don't care what it costs. It's big Coco trying to touch me, it's a big no-no. No promo if I pay for a quick photo. And he ain't gotta be long. Season, I ain't in the holding him. Sexy, classy,
Just let that set in there, maybe about like 10 minutes.
ain't none of this for free, baby, don't even ask me. Sexy, classy.
Hey guys, this is how it came out. It's a little bit brassy, a little bit yellow in some places, but it's okay. I like the way it came out. Some people say, oh, you shouldn't pluck your blonde wigs. It doesn't need to be plucked. I always pluck. I don't care if it's pre-pluck, fore-pluck, post-pluck. I'm gonna take a little tweeze to all my wigs, just a little bit. So I did do that off camera. Now these eyebrows, let's do it. Take our powder, and our developer. Only really need a little bit. Ooh. For no reason. You only need a little bit. Maybe not much. Probably didn't even need that much, honestly. Wish me luck, guys. Pray for me. Going from looking bad to Instagram baddie. And I do want to say, guys, I'm not in any way a hair professional, as you can see. I'm just kind of doing my own thing here. And we're going to see how it comes out. Usually I just do my own thing and then we put something together. So let's see what we get here. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. All right, so this was the result, guys. Put all my little edges up, all that good stuff. I came in with my lace tint, sprayed it up. I don't like dye my knots with the conditioner. I don't like doing it that way. I sprayed my lace with the lace tint as well. So let's see what she's looking like. I like it. Yes, baby. Yes. Okay, it's coming together as y'all can see. Maybe I put a little bit too much. Don't put too much, guys. Otherwise, it'll get like on your roots and stuff. But it's okay. You can literally just take like a washcloth afterwards. But yes, this is the look. I love it so far. So yeah, I think we're off to a good start. I am gonna blow dry it and then we're gonna come in with a straight comb. Let's do it.
Arrogant, nasty. Don't do the world for us, baby. I need an athlete. Sexy, classy, arrogant, nasty. Yeah, I might twerk, but a bitch put in work. Period.
Not so bad. I don't know. I could get used to it. We'll see. Oil, heat protectant, add just a tad. Now I I don't know, I've been seeing like a lot of videos lately of like the no baby hair look with blonde wigs, so I definitely want to try that. So no baby hairs today. Y'all know I love my big bold edges. Well, you should know if you follow me on Instagram at Spoiledmocha. Again, link in the description.
Dot, dot, dot. Yeah, I'm riding through your city and I'm hot, hot, hot. Whoa. Quit acting like you that bitch and you not. Big stepper, Coco, that what they call me. And shit sweet, not the type to go in coffee. I walk through the whole crowd, split like a wave. Whole time they be riding my wave. They just watching me wave. They say it's better when I'm walking away. If I leave, he just beg me to stay. I'm a P, I make him beg for the cake. Lie to him, looking dead in his face. I'm number one, that ain't a spot you could take. Bad bitch, named Coco, I can never be fake. Smoke his weed and take his money cause it's hard, I'ma break it. Fuck a nigga, chase a bag.
Finally done. And this is the look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not gonna lie, the blonde eyebrows are actually growing on me. I actually like it. It's different. I don't do blonde often, so we're gonna try it out. Check this out for a little week or two. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, guys, more updates coming soon. So if you're not already following me, go ahead and follow me on all platforms at Spoiledmocha, and go ahead and follow the Mocha store where you can find wigs like these. Hello, wholesale as well, bundles, lashes, lip gloss, jewelry, all that good stuff to help you guys out. Ebooks and courses as well to get your businesses started, guys. Definitely want to check that out, and that's at the Mocha store. All the links are going to be in the description below. Again, thank you guys so much for all your love and support. See you guys next time.
Period. Sexy, classy, arrogant, nasty. Stop asking for my number.